If you are doing any water slide transfers or decals when you're miniature hobbying, then these tools are going to be very, very handy to use. Let's talk about micro sole and micro set. As it says, handy for setting your decals. These will work a lot better than just plain old water. We do use water, but these products will be really helpful. You will also need a cotton bud or a Q-tip, some tweezers, a knife or something to cut your decals out with, and a brush. Take your decal that you've cut out and soak it in water for around 30 seconds. Warmer water will make it speed up a little bit, but usually around 30 seconds. So let's leave this for 30 seconds. Okay, the decal is now loose on the paper. Get some micro set, the blue bottle, on a brush and apply to where you want to apply your decal. In this case, obviously, this shoulder pad. Very good coating, and then very simply slide the decal off using a brush onto the shoulder pad. Using a brush, you can then position it around, in this case, the back of the knife. You should be able to then move the decal to where you need it to, roughly where you want it to go. Take your brush again, get some of the red bottle, the micro sole, and apply over the decal. This will soften the decal and help it bend to the shape of the shoulder pad. Now if it moves around, you just reposition it. Once you've got the decal where it is, it's had a good soak in the micro sole, this will soften it out, as I said, and help with the curve of the shoulder pad. Use your cotton bud, Q-tip, very gentle pressure, and just roll over. That will absorb any excess liquid and also help curve the decal to the shape of the shoulder pad. When you're happy with the position of the decal, just use a little bit of paper towel and just remove any excess moisture, just very gently dabbing the surface. And that's that one done. On to the next. Decal has been soaked in water for around 30 seconds. A little bit of micro set, the blue bottle, apply to the shoulder area, and then slide, using your brush, the decal onto where you want it. Position using a brush, a little bit of water. Try and aim obviously for the middle. Just use the edge of the brush just to push the decal around. And then cotton bud again. Soak up some of the excess liquid. Then apply micro sole. And just leave that to soak on the decal for 10-15 seconds. Again, once positioned, remove any excess moisture with gentle dabbing with a paper towel. Once they've dried off, I like to always give them a little coat of a matte varnish. I happen to be using the Ultra Matte from the new Vallejo game range. It just knocks out some of the shine. Decals can be quite shiny. If you want a sort of more of a sort of almost natural painted on look, then a matte, thinned out matte varnish over the top will help them look less shiny. Do not apply the matte varnish too thickly. It will go cloudy if you put it on too thick. It goes sort of white and messy. So thin coat over the whole panel, not just over the decal. This is going to knock some of the shine off and will definitely help your decals stay in place. So some form of matte varnish over the top. Let that dry and you are done. Okay, the matte varnish has all dried now and it's given a much more less shiny, more painted on look to your decals. Super easy, follow the same steps regardless of what colour you're painting, what models you're painting, any form of water slide decals. Use these two little magic bottles. Available from modelling stores, hobby stores, your LGS's, Amazon, available all over the place. Micro Soul and Micro Set. Thanks for watching.